Hello everyone, this is Miss Hartwig, and I just wanted to record a quick video about how to use Zoom if you have never used it before, and also some quick tips in case you want to use that to contact me. So Zoom is a free program that you can either download the app if you have a tablet or a phone. You can download that from the App Store or from the Google Play Store and use it that way. You can also just use it if you have a computer by going to zoom.us. And then you don't have to create an account. You don't have to do anything like that. You can just click join a meeting, which is right over here to the right at the top. And then you can enter in the personal meeting ID that I give you for the class. So I'm just going to practice with my office hour one, which is located on my syllabus, and click join. If you haven't ever used Zoom before, you'll have to click Save File, and then it just puts the program onto your computer, and then it runs it. Once you do this, though, the first time, you won't have to do that again. So you'll want to either join with computer audio or whatever you're using, and then you can also have a picture. And for the purpose of this, I'm just going to stop video. So down here at the bottom left is where you can mute your audio and stop your video. So those are the two kind of main options. And you don't have to have video, you don't have to have audio to be able to talk with me. You can also use chat. So chat, if you click down here, this is the main bar for Zoom. Chat is where you can type in things. The messaging does go to everyone unless you click specific. So if there was somebody else in here, I could click message only one other person in the chat. Otherwise, it will go to everyone who's logged on to the Zoom at that point. Another thing is you can also share. So for instance, if you need to share your screen for Math Excel or something like that, you can click share screen, and you can also choose what program you want to screen. So I have these different programs open. If I share my screen, then it'll share what's on my screen to you and vice versa. So you can also choose to share your screen with me if you want to. Some other things that I wanted to show you is different modes you can have for screens. You can enter full screen mode. You can exit full screen mode. If there was more than one person in this, you can change the view. So since it's just me, there isn't a view option, but there's also multiple views, which will show up right here. So for instance, there's a tile view where you see everyone's picture, and then there's also the speaker view where you see the person who's speaking the most. So those are a couple different options for this. And then you can also see whoever's in there. And I think that's all I really wanted to say about Zoom. So hopefully that answers some of your questions. If not, feel free to reach out to me if you have any more questions about how to use Zoom.